In this video, I'm going to show you unboxing and make a quick review of the 20-watt aLLreLi USB-C to USB-C PD 3.0 power supply quick charger. This is a universal high-quality charger at a low cost compared to others on the market that supports PD 3.0 and 2.0, Quick Charge 2.0, AFC, and FCP. The charger comes with a charging wire with a bi-directional Type-C connector, which is made of high-quality material and has a length of 1.8 meters. This length will allow you to use the phone comfortably while it is charging. Size comparisons with a standard charger and a fast charger. The size is such as a standard charger and is much smaller compared to standard fast chargers. His size made it easy to carry on and can fit everywhere to save space at home, in the office, or when traveling. This aLLreLi fast charger is compatible with almost all USB-C powered devices. You can use it with popular brands such as iPhone, iPad, Samsung, UI, Xiaomi, and many others. It also is safe for use thanks to a built-in smart chip that protects your device from overcharging and short-circuiting. Now, we will do a small test of how long it takes the aLLreLi fast charger to charge the phone. First, we try a phone that has a 5020 mAh battery. It takes approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes to charge about 70% of a 5020 mAh battery. And now with smartphone that has a 4200 mAh battery. It takes approximately 20 minutes to charge about 20% of a 4200 mAh battery. So if you are looking for a new charger, I can say that it is a good value for the price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.